Welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to take your content creation to the next level, choosing the right vlogging camera can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2026. Carefully selected for stunning video quality, reliable autofocus, image stabilization, low light performance, and creator-friendly features. Whether you're making YouTube videos, travel vlogs, product reviews, or social media content, these cameras will help you create professional-looking videos with ease. Let's dive in and find the perfect vlogging camera for your creative journey. On number 1, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Vlog Combo is a premium compact vlogging camera built for creators who want professional quality video in a highly portable package. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning photos and 4K video at up to 120 FPS, delivering excellent detail, vibrant colors, and impressive low-light performance. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides ultra-smooth stabilization, making handheld footage look cinematic even while walking or moving. The included DJI Mic Mini transmitter ensures clear, high-quality wireless audio, making it ideal for YouTube, vlogging, interviews, travel videos, and live content. The rotating touchscreen allows quick switching between horizontal and vertical shooting, while intelligent tracking features help keep subjects perfectly framed. Pros include exceptional 4K 120 FPS video quality, large 1-inch sensor, outstanding gimbal stabilization, compact pocket-sized design, excellent low-light performance, included wireless microphone transmitter, fast autofocus, and intuitive touchscreen controls. Cons include premium pricing, limited optical zoom, battery life requiring recharging during extended shoots, and accessories adding to the overall cost. Overall, it is an outstanding choice for vloggers and content creators seeking a lightweight, all-in-one camera that delivers professional video quality, smooth stabilization, and excellent audio for everyday content creation. On number 2, the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo, 128GB, is an ultra-compact wearable 4K action camera designed for creators who want high-quality video in a lightweight, hands-free form factor. Featuring a 1.3-inch sensor, it captures sharp, vibrant footage with excellent dynamic range and records 4K video at up to 60 FPS for smooth, detailed content. Its 143 degrees ultra-wide field of view is perfect for action shots, travel, cycling, hiking, and immersive first-person videos. The magnetic wearable design lets you securely attach the camera to clothing or accessories for effortless hands-free recording, while the built-in 128GB storage provides plenty of space for videos and photos. With up to 200 minutes of battery life and fast content transfer, it is ideal for extended shooting sessions and quick sharing. Pros include excellent 4K 60 FPS video quality, large 1.3-inch sensor, ultra-wide 143-degree field of view, lightweight magnetic wearable design, built-in 128GB storage, long battery life, and fast file transfer. Cons include no optical zoom, limited manual controls compared to larger cameras, and premium pricing for a compact wearable device. Overall, it is an outstanding choice for vloggers, travelers, and action enthusiasts looking for a portable camera that delivers impressive video quality, convenience, and all-day performance. On number 3, the Canon PowerShot V1 is a premium hybrid compact camera designed for vloggers, live streamers, and content creators who want professional image quality in a portable body. Equipped with a 1.4 type 22.3 megapixel sensor and a 16 to 50 mm f2.8 to 4.5 ultra-wide zoom lens, it delivers sharp photos and excellent low-light performance, while offering versatile framing for selfies, landscapes, and everyday shooting. The camera records 4K video at up to 60 FPS and features dual-pixel CMOS f-gloob, providing fast, accurate autofocus with reliable subject tracking for smooth, professional-looking footage. A built-in cooling fan helps prevent overheating during extended recording sessions, making it ideal for long videos, live streaming, and interviews. It also includes microphone and headphone jacks, giving creators greater control over audio quality and real-time monitoring. Pros include outstanding 4K 60 FPS video quality, large 22.3 megapixel sensor, versatile ultra-wide zoom lens, fast and reliable dual-pixel CMOS AF eye, built-in cooling fan for longer recording, microphone and headphone ports, compact design, and excellent image quality for both photos and videos. Cons include premium pricing, no interchangeable lenses, battery life requiring spare batteries for extended shoots, and limited zoom range compared to larger mirrorless cameras. Overall, it is an excellent choice for creators seeking a powerful all-in-one camera that combines impressive video performance, dependable autofocus, and professional features in a compact, travel-friendly design. On number 4 is the Insta360 Luna Ultra is a premium 8K pocket vlogging camera designed for creators who want flagship video quality, advanced AI features, and exceptional portability. Equipped with dual Leica lenses, a large 1-inch sensor, and up to 12 times zoom, it delivers stunning image quality with impressive detail, vibrant colors, and strong low-light performance. The camera records 8K video for highly detailed footage, while the detachable 2-inch touchscreen makes it easy to frame shots, adjust settings, and review content on the go. Powered by a triple AI chip, it offers fast image processing, intelligent subject tracking, and smooth stabilization for professional-looking videos. Its compact pocket-sized design makes it ideal for vlogging, travel, social media content, and everyday photography. Pros include outstanding 8K video quality, premium dual Leica lenses, large 1-inch sensor, powerful 12 times zoom, detachable touchscreen, advanced AI-powered stabilization and tracking, compact portable design, and excellent low-light performance. Cons include premium pricing, battery life requiring recharging during long recording sessions, digital zoom quality decreasing at higher magnification, and a learning curve for users new to advanced camera features. Overall, it is an excellent choice for serious content creators who want a compact, feature-rich camera capable of producing professional-quality videos and photos with advanced AI performance. On number 5 is the Sony ZV-1 digital camera. Is a compact vlogging and content creation camera designed specifically for YouTubers, live streamers, and social media creators. It features a 20.1 MP, 1.0-inch Exmor RS sensor, paired with a 24-70mm f1.8 to 2.8 Zeiss lens, delivering sharp photos, beautiful background blur, and excellent low-light performance. The camera records 4K HDR video with impressive detail and includes Sony's fast autofocus with real-time eye AF and subject tracking to keep you in focus while recording. Its flip-out touchscreen makes framing yourself effortless, while the built-in directional microphone captures clear audio and is complemented by a 3.5mm microphone input for even better sound quality. The ZV-1 also doubles as a USB webcam, making it ideal for live streaming, video calls, and online content creation. Pros include excellent 4K video quality, bright Zeiss lens, fast and reliable autofocus, flip-out touchscreen, high-quality built-in microphone, microphone input, compact travel-friendly design, and USB webcam functionality. Cons include no interchangeable lenses, average battery life that benefits from carrying spares, no in-body image stabilization, and limited zoom range compared to larger cameras. Overall, it is an outstanding choice for vloggers and creators seeking a lightweight, easy-to-use camera that delivers professional video quality, reliable autofocus, and excellent audio features in a portable package.